High precision, high speed. Magic Ray's double-sided 3D AOI, the VS7300, is ready for its grand debut. One machine, endless versatility. Ideal for SMT post-reflow, post-wave soldering, and final inspection stations. The system employs synchronous positioning and asynchronous interlocking photography mechanisms for precise avoidance of light source interference, achieving high speed, accurate, double-sided inspection while saving space and boosting efficiency. With an ultra-high 3D inspection range and large inspection clearance, combined with adaptive double-sided Z-axis adjustment, it seamlessly fits into the soldering line and adapts to varying PCB product heights. Outstanding 3D reconstruction capabilities provide crystal-clear inspection of ultra-small components, mirror-finished surfaces, through-hole components, and pin solder joints. Powered by cutting-edge motion control technology, the VS7300 delivers industry-leading speed and stability. One-click AI inspection programming significantly reduces operating difficulty and enhances the user experience. Built-in algorithms for 3D, AI, color features, and more flexibly meet SMT and wave solder PCBA inspection needs. High speed and precise, down to the finest detail. This is the VS7300 Magic Ray's double-sided 3D AOI. Magic Ray technology.